Want to hide text messages on your iPhone lock screen so no one can see them? In this guide, I'll show you a simple way to do it. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, scroll down and select Messages from the list of apps. Here, tap on Show Previews. You'll see three options: Always, When Unlocked, and Never. To hide your messages on the lock screen, select When Unlocked or Never, depending on how private you want it to be. If you want to keep receiving alerts but just don't want them on your lock screen, go back to the previous menu. Under Alerts, turn off the option next to Lock Screen. Now, you'll only see notifications when your iPhone is unlocked. And that's it. Your text messages won't show on the lock screen unless you unlock your iPhone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching.